Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I wanted to show you how you can easily create a new configuration for your SteelSeries Prime mouse. So first, open the SteelSeries GG app and go to Engine. In here, go to Gear, now select Prime. In here, on the left side we have configurations, here we have default, and if we go all the way to the down left corner, we have plus icon and then new. Here we can name our configuration and now click save. As you guys can see, now we have two configurations and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.